Let me unpack the first part of this, which is why, I mean, it seems obvious, whatever the next innovation is drives productivity. Just connect the dots for us a little bit about why AI is so important to China.
I think over the last 30 years, by the way, we are taking a very long view on this report and on AI. And over the last 30 years, China has reaped a lot of the dividends, I call population dividends, since the reform started. And you saw the rise of the economy, rise of manufacturing, and also the increase of the Chinese population. And now I think Chinese population is set to decline, and the population or so-called population dividends are running out. The only way out of this puzzle is really to increase productivity. And China historically hasn't had a really big software or SaaS industry. This AI may be the answer for Chinese companies and for Chinese economy.
But it's a dilemma because, unfortunately, the AI, I guess you could say, could be used against American interests. And that's certainly why there's been a crackdown on offering them access to the most advanced chips. How do we unlock good productivity gains that, can benefit, I guess, the entire global economy and not give away something too precious or valuable?
I think, again, this is a geopolitics sort of beyond my domain expertise. I think U.S. administrations has been doing is to slow China down, right? So they banned the sales of the most advanced NVIDIA chips, A100 and H100, to China, but Chinese companies can still get their hands on the sort of a second to the best chips, which is A800 and H800. It will slow China down, but we don't think it's going to stop them from making adequate advance. And we have seen technology development over the years in history. Technology is very global, and all the entrepreneurs and scientists and engineers around the world are doing their best to make the next technology breakthrough. We do not believe the ban will have a material damage to slow down Chinese AI development.
My understanding is China's good at developing some of these advanced chips, but they're very unstable, and so they can crash a lot, and months' worth of work can be lost in all of that investment. So I guess that's the next sort of issue that the companies there have to crack. You're the China technology analyst. For investors watching, which companies do you think are best positioned already in China to maybe crack this code, get it right, and be the next NVIDIA stock?
Well, the two companies are leading the pack there. There are dozens and dozens of companies in China making these foundational models. Just like in early days of many technology advancement, most of these guys probably won't make it. But the two leaders are Alibaba and Baidu, in our opinion. And they were the first ones launched their large language model and seen the pipeline to be approved. And Chinese regulations around this area will soon be finalized later this week, in fact. And we think the commercialization approval will come shortly after that. So in our view, is that Alibaba and Baidu are the clear leader right now. Of course, it's way too early to really declare the ultimate winners yet.
But those stocks are certainly up this year, and that might certainly explain why. Jiong, thanks so much for your time today. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
Jiong Shao from Barclays.